Ms. Salone Ranson, and today I'll be doing a quick video demonstration of this employee management system that I built this week using Node and MySQL to perform CRUD operations. Before recording the video, I added some data to our database. So our database currently has 3 tables. The first table is departments. And if I run that, I have some data in here already for departments. You'll see we have the department ID and department name. The second table in the database is the roles table. This is some data I've already put in that has role IDs, role titles, role salaries, and the department that the role belongs to. And the third table is the employees table. Each employee has an ID, a first name, last name, a role ID, and a manager ID. So to begin the program, I'll type in npm start. And once we do that, we're presented with the options to perform the CRUD operations. So we can create departments, roles, and employees. We can read all of the departments, roles, and employees from the database. We can update the employee's role. We can update the employee's manager. And we can also see all employees based on who their manager is. And lastly, we can delete a department, delete a role, and delete an employee. So I'll quickly walk through each of these. I'll add a department first. What is the title of the department? For the sake of the video, I'll call it test department. And it says here you have successfully added test department to the departments table. So if I query my departments table, select all from departments, you'll see here that test department is now a part of the departments table. Sticking with department, I will show you here that if I wanted to see all departments from the program, I see all the departments here, and that's the one we just added. Lastly, with departments, if I wanted to delete a department, it asks me here which department would I like to delete, and I will delete the test department. Successfully deleted the department, and just to make sure that worked, I'll go back to see all departments, and test department is no longer there. So I'll do the same thing with adding a role. Add role. And it says here, what department does the role belong to? I'll say that the role will belong to implementation. What is the title of the role you would like to add? Test role. And what is the salary for the role? I'll say $50,000. And it says successfully added the role. So to make sure that role works, I'll go to see all roles. And this is the data that was previously there, but this is the role that we just created. And I want to show you that you can also delete a role. Which role would you like to delete? So we will delete the test role. Successfully deleted the role. And to make sure that works, I'll just quickly go back to see all roles. And our test role is no longer in our database. Also for employees, let's add an employee. What is the employee's first name? Joe. Employee's last name, let's say Biden. What is the employee's role? For the sake of the video, hey, we'll say Joe Biden is an attorney. And who is the employee's manager? We'll say that, I don't know, Michael Jordan is Joe Biden's manager. Successfully added employee to database. So let's view all employees to make sure that Joe Biden is in there. Let's see here, see all employees. There we go. And as we can see here,